Good morning, dear students. In today's video, we will learn about algebraic expressions. So let's start. First, you will see that what are the algebraic expressions. Before this, we should know about these two terms, that what are the variables and what are the constants. Now, first you will read about the variables. So, variables is a symbol which can attain different values is known as a variable. How we can say, like, variables are generally denoted by, these are generally written by alphabets like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, T, U, V, W. These all are the set of variables. How we can say that they can attain different values, like x plus 4 is equal to 10, x plus 4 is equal to 6, x plus 4 is equal to 5. So in this equation, what plus 4 will be 10? 6. So here x value is 6. Here what plus 4 is 6? 2. X value is 2 and here x value will be 1. So there is a variable x which has 3 different values. So which thing will attain different values? That symbol is known as variable. Next is a constant. What do we mean by a constant? Variables are also known as literals. Variables, another name is literals. Literals or variables. Okay. Next is the constant. Constant is a symbol which has fixed value. A symbol which has fixed value, whose value doesn't change, like all the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, their values will never change, they will remain same, so they are called constants. Now we define this algebraic expression. When we take these constants and variables together, like these are the variables and these are the constants we have taken. When we make a combination of these two by signs, fundamental signs, plus sign or minus sign, and they are in multiplication. So we have used here addition, subtraction and multiplication. Also division we can apply. So when we are connecting all these by using the fundamental signs, then this expression is called algebraic expression. Such as this is an algebraic expression. This is also an algebraic expression. You can write more terms here. So all these are algebraic expressions. Now we will study about the terms of an algebraic expression. Terms of an expression. Terms means the parts which are separated by plus or minus sign. Like suppose this expression we have. So after this, these all are in multiplication, so they are forming a term. After that minus sign comes, so it means this is separating these two parts. So this is called a term, then separated by this is again a term, then separated here terms are 3xy minus 5xy and 9. So all the parts which are separated by these signs, minus sign, then next term started, plus sign, then next term started. So these are the terms of the expression. Now an expression can have one term, two term, three term. So we can classify these expression as, if you are having a single term in an expression like this you have, or 9 you have, or 3x, y, z, t, u, v. So here all are in multiplication. So single term is there. This is also one term expression. This is also one term expression. So these all are called monomials. Expression with one term are called monomials. Expression with two terms, like these expressions we have. In all expressions we can see two terms. So this is called a binomial. Next is trinomial. An expression which is having three terms in that. Like here three terms we have. Three terms. So which expression is having three terms? That is called a trinomial. Then quadrinomial. Quadrinomial, an expression having four terms in that. Four terms are here. So an expression having four terms is known as quadrinomial. Then any expression which is having more than four terms, that is called a